So I'm incredibly bored sitting at home. Anyways, hello. Wow, I guess I was a thick patch with my beard that just like comes together. Anyways, do you guys want to see my Christmas decorations? So to be honest with you, like I said last time, we actually left a whole big old giant box of them at my other apartment when we moved, and so now we've had to do without those decorations, and we got a few new ones. I'll show you. I think it was like a coffee creamer thing, which that's really cool. And to be honest with you, other than like a bunch of lights everywhere, that's the best we're doing this year for Christmas. We do have some more Christmassy like fun stuff here to do stuff with. I just don't know what we're doing with it yet. Well, I don't know that it's interesting enough to show you my Christmas decorations because they're not special. What kind of vlog is this, bro? Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I've went one entire day with no nicotine at this point. I used to smoke cigarettes years ago. Quit doing that. Started vaping. Quit doing that. Then I started using the little Zen nicotine pouches, and now I want to quit doing that. So that's what we're gonna do. I'll do some updates and stuff Christmas. I'll let you know how it's going. I want to quit completely using nicotine and find other vices that aren't so expensive and not as good for you. Alright, I'll be back with some more Christmassy stuff. I'm gonna go clean my house. Day 2 of no nicotine. It's going well. I'm just chewing gum. How much gum does it take to not want nicotine anymore? I can't hardly chew any more gum. I don't know that chewing gum is necessarily helping me not want nicotine, but hang on. But I'm getting pretty good at bubbles. That wasn't very good. Hang on, wait. That wasn't really good either. So I decided to do some needle felting. Trying to make this guy. Let me know how it turned out. What do you think? Side by side.
I mean, I don't see any difference. 10 out of 10. Yours is better.
Thanks.